Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to decorate a spread using one of these sticker books that I haven't decided on yet because I want to let my dice figure that out for me. So I have a collection of sticker books here. Some are new, some are a little bit older that I haven't really used. Like, I don't think I've ever used this one, this colorful animal one. This one's really fun. This was from 2022. So I have some just random books in here, different themes, different things that I can possibly use in a spread. I picked ones that were ones that I could use just one of these books, a one sticker book spread. So that way I can use it to decorate this vertical spread. And yeah, so I have all of them here. And then I have them obviously in the little section. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll the dice and figure out which book I will be decorating from. So the first roll is going to determine which section I will be pulling from. So once I roll a 1, a 2, or a 3, that'll decide the section. All right, so 6, another 6, 3. All right, so we got 3 over here. So I'll be pulling one of these books here. And then I have 6 sticker books. So then whatever roll I get here will determine the sticker book. And I have some good ones. I have Pastimes. That one's really cute. Bridgerton. I have a Seasons sticker book. Desert Thistle. A little Nightmare Before Christmas. And then this fun seasonal one right here, which I actually didn't realize I had that until I went through my stash and was pulling books. So I feel like this will be a good way for me to pull some books that I can use in a spread and just eliminate the decision process since I'm letting the dice figure that out for me. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So let's see which one I will be pulling from with this roll. Make it a good roll, please. 6. Okay, so Cheerful Seasons. This one's gonna be cute. So we have Cheerful Seasons. I'm going to use this book to decorate this spread. And this is just a fun just for fun decorating kind of spread. I don't plan on using this spread, but I do plan on giving it away to one of my patrons because over there I do have a tier where I give away Happy Mail. And so since I receive a ton of stuff, I like to share that with them and I send them Happy Mail. I'll include like a mock spread that I've done in a video just so it doesn't go to waste and then somebody can enjoy it and use it in their planner. They can redate it, all those things. So this is basically going to be one of those kind of spreads where I just decorate it for fun, for a video, for content, and then I can just give it away to somebody so who can actually use it. Yeah, I'm trying to find better ways of making more content for planning because when I first started this channel, I had like 3 or 4 planners I was decorating every week. And unfortunately, I don't have that many planners. I use a few planners, but I don't decorate them like that anymore. I only decorate one planner. So my content is a lot more limited now because of that. And yeah, so I think this will be a good way for me to, just make a spread for fun. I like the rolling of the dice aspect of it, so it takes the decision process out of it for me, and just go with whatever I roll. So this is what I'm going to be using, Cheerful Seasons. I have some vertical sheets here, and I'll be doing more other spreads. Horizontal. I have horizontal. I could do like mini spreads, just different layouts. I'm going to be better about doing that too. But for now, we're going to just do a regular vertical spread because I know this is the most popular size, so I know people will be able to use this and enjoy it, whoever receives this spread. So let's look at this book because I think I forgot I have this, to be honest, or else I probably would have pulled it to do a Valentine's spread, or like a winter spread because this one's really cute. It's Cheerful Seasons. When did this come out? Oh, 2023. It's really, really cute. So let's see what I can use. I could do a winter spread because, well, I mean, these pages are April. It can be redated though, so I could do whatever spread. I kind of want to do, this one's cute. Oh, this is cute. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm going to have to bring in another book because I don't think I have enough spread. Okay, I could do an Easter spread. Okay, I might have to bring in another book. This is good decorative wise, but it doesn't have enough boxes. So I'm just gonna bring in a box sticker book, but for the most part, it's gonna be, I'm gonna pull as much as I can from this sticker book. All right, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna do, don't mind the dates. I'm not going based off the dates because those can be redated for whoever receives this spread. I kind of want to do a St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, because we're already past Valentine's. So let's just do, we either do a St. Patrick's Day or an Easter spread. I feel like because we're almost into March, I should just do a St. Patrick's theme spread. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab some boxes, so that way I have a little bit more to put onto this spread, since it's really basically just decorative. There's a couple of stickers, but I need a little filler pieces in here. All right, I got a good box sticker book here that I can use. I have some nice boxes, some green boxes here that'll help fill in this a little bit more. I think the green, actually I need a darker green. Oh my goodness. I can use light and dark. Let's see, do I have enough light? We're gonna make it work. All right, let me just get started. Let me just put stickers down. So let me cover this up. And then this is coming, this is gonna come into the sidebar. Okay. And then I definitely want to use this one probably over here somewhere. Okay, let's see what else. I have these. These don't match. Okay, I have these. These are the only ones I have. Okay, so I'm just gonna place these down and then work around them, basically. Create your own look. Okay, put that one there, and then I'll place this one here since I'm limited on these stickers. And then I have these three that I can use. This one says be nice or leaf. Be nice or leaf. Just want to get this green around the spread. And then let me introduce some of these boxes in this color scheme. I guess this one. Okay, this needs to go under. All right. Should have layered that first, but didn't make it work. All right, so I got a box there, and since I put this color here, I need to put this color over here. So let me grab one of these. And let's layer it. Put it here. And I could put another box with it, actually. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay. Looking good so far. Let me add in some of these fun decorative elements. We got a cute little rainbow with the pot of gold. Oops. Little hats. We'll stick a hat over here. Lots of hats everywhere. Some four-leaf clovers. Yeah, let me just pull this out. Okay. I have another book because I wanted some darker green. I have like a darker green in here. Another box sticker book. These come in super handy. Okay, I feel like this is a good green. Just to mix in some of the lighter, brighter green with this darker green. It's not exact, but it's green. So we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so we got a box there. We'll put a box here. A couple of these smaller boxes. All right. So basically just gonna put a bunch of these decorative stickers, even though they're basically the same thing. That's all I got. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Like I said, it's taking me out of my comfort zone since I need to just use what I have, which isn't quite a lot, but it'll work. Okay, put some hats around, more of the 4-leaf clovers, because those are cute. I also have some washi, so I'm gonna bring in some green washi. It's just gonna be lots of green. I need to figure out the sidebar because I don't know what I'm gonna do with the sidebar. So I'll put a fun green. It's a little bright, but I think it'll go. Lots of different greens, at least. Do all the greens, basically. Okay. Get some on the bottom. Okay, that looks good. It's a nice, bright, fun color. All right, let's add in some more of these pots of gold. We can do, okay, I already got like all these rainbows. I can do one of these rainbows. Another rainbow over here. I'm just gonna stick a rainbow there. I do like that pop of the rainbow color, so that's good. All right, and then let me go into this book. I think I used all the St. Patrick. Oh no, I didn't. I have these. I'm just gonna use everything I can have that's St. Patrick's theme related, because that's all I got to work with. This one just says Happy Go Lucky. And I'll put another one over here. Okay. All right, let me look through this book and see if there's anything else I can pull. There's those. Okay, I can do a checklist, but I would only be able to use this green one. Can't use those because they have like themes of other things. Okay, let me look in the back. It's winter. Oh, let me see. Oh, I have these headers. These will work. These are good headers. Okay. So let's do a to buy section over here. Little list of today here. And a remember here. Nice. That helped to fill in some of those areas that needed a little bit of color. I wish I had bullet points in here, but I don't think I saw any. Okay, I kind of pulled all the stuff. I mean, it doesn't look too bad though. It looks pretty good. All right, I need some fun stuff over here. So let's do a little, should I do a clover here, clover here? We'll do a clover here. Okay, that one. The horseshoe. Okay, we're just gonna stick all the things down. Okay, I have one there, so let's do one here. And another clover here. Cut this off. I have another hat. Lots of hats. We'll stick a hat with a hat. Why not? All right, and then I have, let's do the pot of gold. Here. guess I'll stick these gold ones with the gold. Stick one over here. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. I do want to get some bullet points, which I actually have in here. So let's just grab bullet points. Where are they? Maybe I don't have them. Maybe they're like not in this book. Oh, here. Oh no, those are checklists. Oh, there's no bullet points. It's just checklists. Okay. So I guess. Oh, I have these checklists. These like short ones. Is this the color I used? I can't remember. I guess I'll put this darker one. Why not? Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple of these checklists around this spread. Super functional, so that's good. Put one here. Okay, that one doesn't fit. All right, I think that's good. Okay, it's very random. There's a lot going on, but I'm not gonna lie, that one was kind of hard to use, and it didn't really have a lot of, for me, I like having more decorative stickers that are different on the spread. I really don't like repeating the same stickers over and over and over again. So yeah, this book, it's cute, but like this section's cute. It had a bunch of different things, but the St. Patrick's theme was a little bit more repetitive than I would have liked. Like even this one's kind of, it's all the same bunny, the same face, same. This one's kind of cute. Like I feel like I do a nice mini spread with this one. The back to school stuff is cute. Let's see, since I don't remember this book, this is cute, but again, it's very repetitive. I feel like, yeah, a mini spread. Oh, like this one. This one has different stuff. That one's a good one. A mini spread would be good to use with this book. Because, yeah, this one's not too bad too. Okay, so I tried my best. It's not bad. It's green, so that's all that matters. It's cute. But yeah, that's basically gonna be it for this spread. Let me know what you think. It's not my best work, but I did have fun making this spread, so I hope you enjoyed. Went out of my comfort zone a little bit with this spread too. So I hope you enjoyed watching as I created this spread. And I'm sure one of my patrons will enjoy using this spread. Yeah, whoever ends up receiving this one. So I hope you enjoyed watching. This was Cheerful Seasons. And again, don't forget Jojo's books. Jojo has amazing, as you can see, I can just pull one of Jojo's books and she's got great color options and boxes and things. So those always come in handy. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.